If you love cleaning with Norwex microfiber and water, but you still have some spots that need a little extra help, this is where this product shines. This is the Norwex Multipurpose Everyday Cleaner Concentrate. It is a probiotic-powered cleaner designed to enhance the power of microfiber and water for everyday hard surface cleaning, and the probiotics keep working for several days to actively seek out and destroy newly introduced bacteria. So if this might sound a little familiar, it's because it is. This is the same probiotic cleaning technology many of our customers know as the Probiotic Hard Surface Cleaner. We've just relaunched it with a clear name that actually reflects how people use this every single day. Many conventional cleaners rely on really harsh chemicals that can irritate our skin and our lungs over time. This formula is safe. It uses probiotics that create enzymes to break down all the stuff, the grease, the grime, all the hidden things without leaving any harsh chemical residue behind. And when the probiotics come in contact with all those nasties, it releases the right type of enzymes to help break it down, even in the tiniest cracks and crevices. Think about our wood floors and granites, all those little microscopic cracks and crevices, this gets in there. Plus, it keeps working beyond the initial wipe. And I also love that it leaves a light shine. I love how my granite and my hardwood floors look when I use this. It's simple to use. You just dilute it in a Forever spray bottle or a Norwex spray mop attachment for your awesome mop. And you just clean the surface, you spray it on there, wipe with your favorite Norwex microfiber cloth, and no rinsing needed. I reach for this all the time, especially on any high-touch area in our house. Think about the counters, the floors, light switches, the handles on our fridge, entryways, especially when I feel like water alone isn't quite enough. We have a really busy household and people can get sick sometimes, right? I feel like this personally gives us some added protection to keep all that nasty stuff from spreading and circling around my entire family. This is perfect for busy homes. It's safe around pets and kids. It's great for high traffic areas and anyone who wants a safer everyday cleaner that still performs and super safe. It's ultra concentrated, so one bottle makes multiple refills and it's available on autosave. I love our autosave program because you save even more. I like to keep this on my autosave so that I never run out. Now, if you already loved the Norwex probiotic cleaner before, this is the same idea, just clearer and easier to use daily. And if you're brand new to Norwex, getting started with your microfiber, this is an awesome way to enhance that microfiber's power. And just using water alone on your enviro cloth, a little bit of this gives us that added touch without any of the harsh chemicals.